In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. One of the unknown tasks in Revit is creating views. To do that, we go to View tab, then Plan Views, select Floor Plan, then select the level, level 1 for example. Okay. After that, we will rename the view. TH-BIM, GR for ground, LG for the lighting. Okay. Then we must set the discipline, electrical, and subdiscipline to be lighting. Then we must set the view template. We don't have any template for lighting view, for lighting subdiscipline, so we will create a new one. Okay. Now we will create a new sheet. Rename the view. Rename the sheet. Okay, then add the view. Okay, this task take 1 minute or 2 minutes in only one view. What if our project contains more than 300 view or more than 200 view? Don't forget, our project contains of 4 parts: part A and part B and part C and part D. So we must have an overall view. Then we will have another 4 views, and these 4 views must be must be must depends must depend on the overall view, like this. Duplicate view, duplicate as a dependent, rename part A, duplicate as dependent, part B, and so on for the other parts. Okay, let's welcome our add-in. Let's start this add-in, first step add-in, which will do this task in less than 5 minutes. This add-in contains 3 main tasks. The first tab, export sample Excel file, which which will export a sample of the Excel file in which we will add our data. Okay, let's create export Excel sample file, sample file. Okay, Done. Okay, let's open this file, and here we are. Okay, sheet number must be unique. Sheet name, sheet name. We write the sheet any name we want. The view template. We can add the name of the templates, which in project, or we can add any name we want, and the add-in will create templates with these names. The view name must be unique. Subdiscipline. Level name must be the same in the project. Okay, floor or ceiling plan. Using this column, we can specify if we want this view to be floor plan or a ceiling plan. The scope box must be the same name in the project. If we want, if we don't want to assign any scope box, just write none. The view scale depends on, like this, example. This part depends on this. Okay, let's fill the sample file sheet one. Let's take only, for example, sheet name TH-BIM GR part A, part B, part C, part D. Okay, view template, lighting template, lighting template, or lighting view template. View name, let's make, let's write them as a sheet name. Subdiscipline, lighting, level name, let's change it to be 1. Okay, floor or ceiling plan. For lighting, we will need these views to be ceiling plan. Scope box, let's part A. Okay, view scale, let's make them 100. Depends on, this will not depend on in another view. But for this will depend on this view. Let's click save, then return to our add-in. Let's skip this tab, then go to this tab. Let's select Excel file, sample file. For this will be B, C, E. Okay. So for this, reload Excel file. What's the problem here? Yeah, the problem here is that this name, these names are sensitive. So the name must be the same in the project. To avoid this error, I prefer to take these values as copy and paste. So we return to this tab. This is the data we need to fill the sample Excel file. Okay, export data, project data, done. Okay, let's open. Let's take the level as copy and paste. Okay, let's click save. Then return to the add-in. Click reload Excel file. Let's delete these views and this sheet. Open the add-in. We don't have any view here, so let's go to create sheets. From here, we can select the title block we want, grouping parameter. We will see the usage of this parameter. Okay, let's click create sheets. Done. Sheets. Okay, that then created the 5 sheets. Let's go to the create views tab. Okay, 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 okay. View type. If we toggle this choice, this means we will use the type in the Excel file. Okay, and we use this choice if we have some of the views we want them to be floor plans and the other will be ceiling plans. But if we toggle this all as floor plan or ceiling plan, let's toggle from Excel, no problem, or this, no problem. Select discipline. We working in electrical discipline, or we want these views to be assigned in electrical discipline. Okay. If there are viewports, duplicate as dependent or duplicate as dependent. Let's let's choose the first choice. Create views. Okay. Each view is independent. Independent. But let's click undo. If we select the second choice, create views, done. Okay. Now, but here we didn't assign the scope box. Okay, so return to the add-in, go to assign scope boxes, assign or create scope boxes, click on it, done. Okay, 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 very good. Let's move to bot views inside sheets. Let's click bot views in sheets. Please select any 2 points to insert a view between them. This means we must select 2 points and the midpoint between them will be the center of the view. Okay, let's click OK. Let's choose any 2 points here and here or here and here. Let's select this. Done. Okay. The scale is very large. We need to change the scale values. Okay. Let's return to the add-in. Rescales 100, but we want them to be 1 to 200 instead of 1 to 100. Return to the sample file to then click Save. Return to the add-in. Click Reload Excel file. After that, we can click Change the scales of the view box. Done. Okay. Let's take another example. These are 110 views. Okay. Can you imagine how many hours you will waste if you create these views manually? Can you imagine? Return to the views. Let's return the add-in, the sheets, delete the views. Okay. Return to the add-in. Let's select import Excel file. Okay, no errors. Let's move to create sheets. Input metric, create sheets. Done. Now, you will ask me, what's the import? What's the importance of this parameter? Okay, sub-discipline sheet. Let's let's click right click here, browser organization. Let's check sub-discipline sheet, edit, then grouping and sorting, sub-discipline sheet. Okay, then okay, okay. Now you can find your sheet easily. Okay, return to our add-in. Let's continue. Create views. We must toggle this choice. As for the lighting, we need the views to be ceiling, but for the other views, we want them to be floor. Okay, and also we need them. We need some of views to be dependent on another views. Okay, create views. Done. Use all floor plans, swing plans. We can go. This is the browser organization. Discipline. Edit. Discipline. Then sub-discipline. Okay. Okay. Coordination. Electrical floor plans. Ceiling plans. Okay. Okay. Let's assign the scope boxes. Assign scope boxes. Done. Okay. Okay. Let's put views inside sheets. Click put views in sheet. Select 2 points. Done. Now we need to change the view scales if you want. Let's go to the view, to the add-in, change the scales of the view. Okay, let's click. What if we want the view scales to be 150? Let's return to the Excel file, or add the value. Then click Save, return to the add-in, click Reload Excel file. Okay, let's click Change the scale of the view. Done. Okay, now what is your opinion about this add-in? Comment with your opinion, please, in the comments. Thank you. Goodbye, and see you in the other add-ins. Goodbye.